Painting and repairing wheel rims is a common work process because of where they are located and because of their continuous exposure on the vehicle. This video will show you how to repair and paint wheel rims efficiently, obtaining a lasting and quality result. Beyond its aesthetic function, wheel rims are painted to provide an extra protection against rust or other pollutants. The main difference with other repairs is mainly related to the wheel rim's cleaning and preparation, and its subsequent sanding. The surface must be cleaned with products that ensure a thorough cleaning of the entire wheel rim. On the other hand, due to the geometrics and angles of these kind of parts, wheel rims will be sanded almost entirely manually. This involves increased work time, in addition to using correct sanding technique to avoid leaving any marks. The most common damage in this type of part includes small material losses, mainly in the wheel rim profile, scuffs, marks and scratches of varying depth, discoloration and loss of gloss on the surface. In regards to the material they are made of, wheel rims can be made of steel or aluminium. In this tutorial we'll focus on the most complex and common type of body shop repair, painting aluminium wheel rims. Clean the rims thoroughly once they have been unhinged. This will remove any dirt or contaminants that may compromise the paint's correct adhesion. Inspect all damage and defects on the rim in order to know the full extent and type of repair to be made. Sand the flat and smooth areas with a P150 to a P180 abrasive paper and a rotating orbital sander. For hard to reach surfaces, sand manually with an abrasive sponge. This sanding will remove surface defects in areas that have suffered material loss. Then blow and degrease. Apply aluminium putty to areas that have deep scratch damage or small missing parts. Once dry, sand the putty with a P220 or P240 grit. Then blow and degrease the surface again. Apply a high performance and easy to apply filler. This will contribute to a more productive repair. Use a filler colour that matches the shade of the top coat. Depending on the type of rim and on the size of the damage, using specific products to paint the rims in an aluminium colour is an option to consider. This is the most common colouring for this type of part. If you require a specific colour, use the colour system. Choose the colour of the wheel rim to repair. Use both the spectrophotometer and software to ensure a correct colour. For optimal application, use a touch-up gun, which will allow you to comfortably access small hollow spaces and hidden corners in the rim. Always apply the colour following the specifications provided on the product's technical datasheet. Finally, prepare and apply a clear coat that provides excellent gloss and resistance. This way the wheel rims will display a perfect finish, shining like new.